Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
I could have become a doctor.
I could have become a doctor. Sentence 2.
Don't become my mom.
Don't become my mom. Sentence 3.
Don't shy like that.
Don't shy like that. Sentence 4.
Don't pretend.
Don't pretend. Sentence 5.
If I were smarter.
If I were smarter.